it's my own version. And then, yeah, this will be our dinner for tonight. And then, yeah, let's get started.
Before we will start, I will show you the ingredients of our wienerschnitzel. Pork, egg, black pepper, salt, stick hammer, cling wrap or plastic wrap, flour, and breadcrumbs. First step, we will place the meat between the plastic wrap. So that's it. And then pound the meat from the center of the cutlet or the meat out toward the edge until the meat goes thin. So we just need to pound it carefully. Then we need to turn it around and then pound it again from center to the out of the edge. The reason why we do it this way, like wrapping the meat into the plastic wrap so that the meat will not get fall apart. I learned this trick to a germantelly.com. Just repeat the steps to the rest of the meat you have. So this is our second step for making the wienerschnitzel. We need to prepare for our coating, and this is the egg. And then we need to stir until the white and the yellow is combined. And yeah, stir it again, stir, and then there's lumps there from the white egg, and then stir. We really need to stir it so that the white and the yellow will be combined. And yeah, that's it. And then we need to put black pepper in it to taste, and the salt, and stir it again so that it will be combined. Set aside. For our third steps, we need to season the meat. First, black pepper, and we need to tap it by our hands so that the black pepper will stick to the meat. Next will be the salt, and tap it again by the hands. And next, in the other side, we'll do it by the same black pepper, and then tap it by the hands, and then salt again. So that our meat will have a taste also at the end, or if it's finished. Next we need to coat our pork with flour. So we need to sure that it's really coated by the flour, so we need to tap it by our hands. And the next one, so we'll put it in the seasoned egg, and then last, put it in the breadcrumbs. And we need it to do also in the other side, and we need to tap by our hands so that the breadcrumbs will really stick to the meat. And we need to do it right also. And then that's it. So I need to get sure that it's really coated, and then we will do the second coating. So the reason why I do second coating, so that I'm really sure that the breadcrumbs will stick to the meat, and when we fry it, it will not get separated with the meat. You know what I mean, guys. So it's hard to explain also. So we're almost done for our first coat, and and then we'll place it to the chopboard, and then we'll do the same for the rest of the meat also. So next we'll prepare our potatoes. So we're gonna peel this one, and then after we need to wash it and clean it also. So we will put it in the bowl later and we will boil it. So now I'm washing the potatoes and put it in the skillet, and then we need to wash and clean this one before we will boil it, and then we'll put water, and the water should be above the potatoes only. And now we will add salt in the water of the potato, and then we will simmer it for high heat, and we will just wait until it's boiling. So when it's boiled, we will put down the speed to medium high heat and put the timer on it. If you enjoy my video, click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified for my next video.